Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the National Parks and Monuments Trails series. Today, we travel to Wyoming to take the Calcite Springs Trail at Yellowstone National Park. This is a brief, third of a mile trail with some stairs, but only an elevation gain of around 20 feet. The whole trail took us about 15 minutes to complete. There are several ways you can enter the trail from the parking lot, straight to the left up the stairs or meandering towards the right. We chose to take the stairs and head to the best overlook straight away. The stairs are wooden but in decent shape, and the rest of the path is a tarred path. The initial overlook over the Yellowstone River is beautiful, but down below you might see several dark spots. This is because there are two different things bubbling to the surface below. One you might be able to smell on the wind, liquid sulfur, which when it comes in contact with the air turns black. The other possibility is that it is oil, which seeps to the surface through fractures in the ground caused by geothermal activity. There are several interesting levels of rock faces as you look around the overlook area. Those spires and cliffs near the river up to a sandy looking slope, and then the distinct level of patterned rock before you reach the surface level. Then it heads down the stairs, and you're given the opportunity to go right directly back to the parking lot or head straight and walk further along the rim of the canyon, getting several good views of the opposite side of the canyon. Keep an eye out, as these are the types of areas you could see bighorn sheep within the park. My favorite part was the geodiversity of the canyon wall. It reminded me of the canyon you drive along on your way up to the rim of Crater Lake. There are a lot of similar features. It's just cool to be able to see this geothermal pit that leaks both oil and molten sulfur, and then these rocky spires, and then that level of columnar basalt on top like a cap on the whole landscape. It's just amazing. This short stop to see is just such a beautiful area and so worth it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to follow us as we explore national parks and monument trails across the country, hit that subscribe button.